This is a quick start guide for the Excel Skills income tax calculation template. This template enables users to perform annual income tax and monthly salary calculations based on multiple tax brackets. Let's start with the tax calc sheet. The sheet contains an income tax calculator, which calculates the annual income tax, the monthly salary and the annual bonus payment if applicable. So all the cells with yellow cell backgrounds are user input cells. These include basic monthly salary, travel allowance, also monthly other allowances, annual bonus, your pension deduction, your medical dependence, and your age. So based on these input values, your annual income tax calculation is calculated here. First, by calculating total taxable earnings less the taxable portion of your pension deduction to give an annual taxable income. The calculation of the total taxation for the year based on the tables, less the rebate and less medical tax credits if applicable. That gives you your annual tax payable, and we also provide a percentage. Then your monthly salary calculation will have your monthly salary and allowances added to give you your gross pay, your monthly deductions for pay as you earn. We've got a UIF and a pension fund deduction. Gives you your total deductions and the net monthly pay is your take-home pay. Then we also have a section for the annual bonus. So that basically gives you an idea, your annual bonus, how much tax there would be on your bonus and what your net amount would be. This calculator has been designed for the South African tax requirements. So let's have a look at the values that the calculations are based on. So these are the tax tables that we've included. There are a number of tax brackets that can be added to by inserting a row and copying one of the other rows, the middle rows. If you need less tax brackets, you can just delete the entire row. The yellow cells are the input cells, so your tax bracket values and your percentages just need to be entered, and the rest in this table, the other columns are calculated automatically. Then there's the rebates input, primary, secondary, and tertiary, and with the appropriate ages. There's a medical tax credits section, an amount for the taxpayer and the first dependent, and then the additional dependents. Your unemployment insurance fund contribution, the percentage, as well as the ceiling, so your limit, and then the pension deduction. There's a maximum tax deduction value and a maximum tax deduction percentage. With a travel allowance, there's a portion that needs to be included for pay-as-you-earn purposes. So these values can be adjusted every year, and a new version of the template then saved for the new tax year. Okay, let's have a look at the monthly sheet. So the monthly sheet enables you to do calculations based on variable monthly earnings, where you can just add it in the user input cells. So these are all the earning cells, and you also need to enter your pension fund deduction. At the top of the sheet, you set the start date for the template, which determines the periods, your age, and the medical aid dependence. All the light blue cells contain formulas and are automatically calculated. Okay. And that's basically it. If you want to find out more detail on the template, you can view our instruction sheet, and you can also visit our support section of our YouTube channel, where we post videos based on user feedback.